Hey guys, so we're out here at Bird Ridge today, and so it's pretty chilly today. It's only about 10 degrees, and I haven't actually been hiking since Christmas. This will be kind of my first one getting back into it, but we got some cross-country skis, so I've been kind of using those. Been going like 3 times a week or something, so we'll see how well the conditioning from that translates to hiking today, I guess. And so I won't be doing much of a guide today since we've done this one before, so just check out that other video if you want more of a guide of the trail. This one's going to be more just kind of documenting going up. And it'll be winter this time, so it might be a little bit different. But here's that little outhouse near the beginning, and then we'll start heading up. I didn't see anyone else at the trailhead, so I'm guessing it should be a pretty quiet hike today. It'll be nice. So I'll just catch you as I get further up. So we broke out of that first little section of trees there. Just wanted to give you guys that nice view of the inlet. You can see the sun rising over the mountains. But yeah, there's a penguin over there. But we'll just be heading back up in the trees and then keep going towards the top. Well, we've broken out a little bit from those trees. Another nice view of the inlet here. See the sun's risen even more. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear, but there's a bunch of squirrels out today. They've been making a whole bunch of chattering the whole time I've been going up. Some of them were jumping out of trees, scared me a little bit. But we'll just keep making our way up. Oh, we made it even higher. And I thought the bench was around here, but I might just be a little confused with it being winter versus summer. But we broke through the last of those trees down there, and now I think we're pretty close to midway. So probably got about another hour or so. And then we'll also see if the trail is actually good all the way to the top. Sometimes in the winter it stops before you actually get to the summit. So we'll just have to see if that is. But catch you guys further up. So I found the bench right over here. It's about 5 minutes away from where we were before. Yeah, still just probably about halfway. But really nice day. As we've gotten a little higher, it's warmed up quite a bit. So it probably feels like it's at least 30 out here. And kind of just in a light breeze. So a really nice day. I haven't seen anybody on the trail yet, but maybe on the way down, or maybe somebody will catch up to us. But it's gonna take a little break and then I'll keep heading up. One thing I did forget today was some sunglasses. It's pretty sunny out, and that light reflecting off the snow can get pretty bright after a while. So it is a good idea, even in the winter, just to pack some sunglasses with you. It's not really too bad right now, but sometimes it does get pretty bright. We're just slowly closing in on the top still. And the trail now has been kind of way over to the right side of the mountain. I'm not really sure why. Sometimes in the winter the trails get a little bit weird, because typically I believe you'd be kind of up on the ridge up here, but I mean, this seems to be working fine. And if someone else is going to make the trail for you, you can't really complain about it. And you can hear probably now the wind's picking up a little bit. But we'll keep heading up. All right. Well, right before the end here, and it looks like there's still a pretty good trail going up to the top. So we'll just continue. But I know I keep saying it, but it's just a really nice day. Nice clear skies. Not too windy. Just that little bit of a breeze, not too bad. And trail's been pretty good so far. I did post hole like up to my thigh a little while ago. It's like if you take one little step off the packed trail, sometimes you just get sucked in. But I'll kind of meet you guys a little closer to the top. Oh, we're almost here. Getting up to that very end, the final approach. And looks like there's even a little path up to the, well, I guess what I called the summit last time. I don't know which little part is it, but it looks like we can go all the way back to where we were last time. So I'm just taking this little path on the side here. Woo. Careful not to slip, I guess. There we go. Well, the drifts aren't too bad down here. And it's probably been about 2 hours and 15 minutes or so. So I went super fast today. But we made it up, which is the important part. Nice view over there. Got the sunrise. Got penguin. Got rainbow over there. Alright, and we made it. So let's see, I'll look at the official time here. Let's see, 2 hours and 12 minutes. So, pretty close to what I was saying. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If I see anything interesting on the way down, I'll shoot another video. But otherwise, I'll see you on the next one. Man, guys, I was too slow. But a guy just took off with a parasail. So I'm gonna see if I can't go a little fast down here. Maybe we can catch a glimpse of him. It was a blue parasail. So sometimes people take off from Bird Ridge here, and I don't know where they land actually. I guess you probably land in the parking lot where I park. I think it's the Bird Creek parking lot. But let's see if we can catch up a little bit. That's actually something I've always wanted to do. The parasailing seems like it'd be so much fun. And then I wouldn't have to hike down. I could just fly down. Maybe we can... Yeah, I don't know how fast he is. And I don't usually go this fast downhill. I'm usually kind of a mosier. Man, I don't see him. The sun is kind of right in my eyes, so maybe he's in more of an obvious place, and I just don't see him. Oh well. Well, hey, here's a plane. It's like a little consolation prize. Maybe not exactly what we wanted. See him? Look at that. Well, that was pretty cool. I'm glad we got something out of that jog. Alright, well if I see him, I'll try to get a video. Oh guys, we're all the way down now. So that took about 3 hours and 30 minutes. So I didn't see that parasailer guy on the way down either. But I'll see you on the next one.